So we're going to look at reflecting a shape or a point in an equation line. And before we do that, we need to understand the names of these equation lines and how to draw them. So any line that goes through the x-axis, for example that one there, would be called x equals 2. That line would be called x equals 5. It's going through the x-axis at the point 5. Similarly, if I drew something through the y-axis there, that would be called y equals 4, or here, that would be y equals 9. I'm just going to draw one more for you. If it goes through 0, 0 and it's perfectly diagonal, this line would be called y equals x. Perfectly diagonal line through 0, 0 would be called y equals x. So let's say we've been asked to reflect this triangle in the line x equals 5. So the first thing you'll need to do is draw the line x equals 5. So that's through the x-axis at the point 5, there we go. You're usually asked to label it as well, so we need to label the line x equals 5. And now we're ready to reflect. And what we're going to do is take each point of this triangle one at a time. So I'm going to start with this one here, and you're going to count how many squares it is away from the reflection line. Well, it's one away, so I go one away the other side, and there will be your first point. If I do this one here next, I'll change colour. So again, count how many squares you are away from the reflection line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So count 4 the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your next point. And finally, this top one here is 1, 2 away. So you go 1, 2 away the other side. So we've got a point here, here, and here. Join them up, and there's your triangle. I'm going to show you one more, and this is reflecting in the line y equals x. And it's a slightly different technique. Because you're reflecting in a diagonal line, I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. Again, you're going to take each point at a time. I'm going to take this point here, and what I'm going to do is count one square across and then one square down, and that's where your first point is. The other technique would be to count diagonally across, so you would go half a square that way, so half a square that way, so going straight across. Let's do this bottom left one. The first method would be counting 3 squares across, 1, 2, 3, and then 3 squares down, 1, 2, 3. The diagonal way would be to go, choose a different colour, 1 diagonal and a half, so a half a diagonal and a whole, so the same distance the other side. So we've got this point here at the moment and this point here. Let's choose a different colour. Let's use this top right one. So you can either go 1, 2, 3, 4 across, so 1, 2, 3, 4 down. You get your point there. Or the other way would be to go 1 diagonal across, 1 diagonal, so same the other side. Now what's useful with this, we know it's going to be a rectangle. We've got 3 points of our rectangle already, so we know that the 4th point is going to be just here. So we can draw in that rectangle, and we can see that when you're reflecting in a diagonal line, the rectangle has turned onto its side. Now this looks quite colourful at the moment, but when you're doing it you wouldn't need to put all these lines in. But just so you know that reflecting in a diagonal line is slightly different.